In this video, I will briefly explain how to import data on your map and what to keep in mind while creating your datasheet. Step number 1 will be the creation of your datasheet. Within your datasheet, it's extremely important to spell each word exactly the same as on your map. This will allow our software to automatically detect what variables you have inserted. You can add pictures by inserting the image URL into your datasheet. Images, as well as all other information, can also be added or altered after the batch import. Coordinates can be displayed in 3 different formats: DD, DDM, and DMS. Mapotic uses the DD format. Reformatting your coordinates can be done by using a simple online coordinate converter tool. It's also important to note that multiple select attributes have to be divided by exclamation marks with spaces added on both sides. Step number 2. Once you have created your datasheet, make sure to download it as a comma-separated values document. Both KML and KMZ formats are also allowed for data imports on Mapotic. Step number 3. Go over to your map's import page, which can be found under Import/Export on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on New Import in the top right corner and upload your file. In case the first line of your sheet contains header information, make sure to check the box before continuing with the import process. All there is currently left to do is to add the correct names to each of the subjects. Once that's all done, you can continue by verifying your import. With the import being successful, all of the places have immediately been added to your map. We hope this video was able to help you move along with your current map projects. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.